President des Rudolf-Heine, auch mein Professor.
Your Excellency, I have the honor to accept your letters of credence, as well as the letters of my personal best wishes for the government, Mark of Peter.
Thank you. Thank you, Your Excellency. Thank you. Thank you very much for receiving me not long